What are some good resources that you can recommend for passive income for beginners?
I think the best resource is not books. You don't become what you read, although you need to put it in you. You become who you hang around. The best resource is to get around other investors. One of my secrets, and I don't know if it's a secret, but it's what I did. I truly believe with all of my heart, you become who you hang around. I know that to be the case. I know it to be 100% true. If you believe it, then what you need to do is go find a great environment to get in. And so what I did here in Jacksonville, Florida, there's an area called Fleming Island. And so there's a restaurant on the water called Whitey's Fish Camp, and they do once a month an investor meetup. And when I went and sat in this meeting with these investors, they were indeed legitimate investors. Some of these guys were making so much money. They would all get in the room. It was free, didn't cost anything to be there. And they would just discuss opportunities. And so when it got to me on my turn, I didn't try to pretend to be bigger than what I was. I said, hey, my name's Joseph. I'm a small investor in the logistics industry. I'm looking to get in real estate and other things. I do know that you become who you hang around. So gentlemen, I'm here to hang around. And they were more than willing to accept me, have lunch with me. And slowly but surely, I began to learn what good investment opportunities were. And it's so funny. I had more people telling me, Joseph, whatever you're trying to do, whatever deal you find, I am in. I'll fund the whole deal. I didn't even know what a real estate deal looked like, but I already found the money, because I got in circles who were already doing it. So that's what you must do if you want to become a savvy investor. Reading books are cool. Going to seminars, it's a must. But more than anything, you have to get around people that you want to be like, who are already successful, to guide you through the process, either individually or corporately. Either way, you'll grow and you'll change and you'll become what you're after.
Thank you very much for tuning into our expert interview series. If you're interested in passive income investments, contact Joseph and his team through the information which we have on the screen for you. He'll send you out a brochure and the actual contract for you to review. This has been Justin Kunst, CEO of Timberwolf Advertising.